Rebuild Illinois will pump billions of federal dollars into road repairs and infrastructure fixes. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Kimberly Eaton.
And I'm Rebecca Brumfield. Zach Hatcher joins us with some of the projects we'll see right here in Central Illinois. Zach.
Rebecca and Kimberly, the IDOT multi-year plan will improve your driving experience across the Tri-County area. Engineers in the area are very excited for this extra funding. The Rebuild Illinois IDOT multi-year plan will take almost $24 billion in 5 years to fix the infrastructure across the state. In Peoria County, the Maxwell Road Bridge near Faber Road is a crucial item on the agenda.
This road takes about a couple thousand cars a day, and so currently this has some structural issues with it.
County engineer Amy McLaren says it's a headache for big loads to get across the bridge.
We talk to them, we get the information on the axle spacing and the loads on the bridges, so we can run the calculations to see what it's going to do to the bridge from a carrying capacity perspective.
In Tazewell County, engineer Craig Fink says there's not just one particular project that needs attention, but says the funding will bring back much needed money for maintenance.
You'll see definite improvement. Doesn't mean you'll never hit a pothole again, but we should be in much better shape than we were. I mean, this was a huge lift.
Fink wants you to be mindful of all the workers you'll soon see on the roads.
We had maintenance crews that used to be busy year-round, or the entire construction season here in Tazewell County, and they had gotten to a point where they were only busy about 3 weeks on our roads. So this will be significant. We'll see them out there just about 68% more than they were before.
LaShawn Ivey's a new driver and is already tired of hitting potholes.
Because all the bumps in the road and potholes that be leaving people's tires and stuff that just destroys the car. So yeah, it definitely helped.
Across the state, $5 billion will go toward bridges and about $8 million for roads. We got a link to that full list of improvements on our website, ciproud.com. Rebecca.
Zach, thank you.